In this video, you're gonna learn super secret, super amazing, super easy way to tack on extra sales to every high school senior you do without selling extra products to them. Yes. Hey, Heather McKay here, your sales and pricing coach. I love those two things, and I'm a coach for photographers, and I make it so easy and fun for you to sell products to your clients. So let's get into what can you do for high school seniors. You know, you're probably already like dialed in, you're already feeling good, you already have your couple things that you sell, but maybe you're ready to up your average sale. Maybe you're ready to break through to a new level with your income goals and your sales goals. Maybe you're ready to like really level up and you're wondering, how can I do that from my current client base? Well, here we go. Let's just jump right in. So we'll keep this short and sweet. How I broke through my average sales with my high school senior photo shoots was I started doing the high school senior photos and tacking on a very short family photo shoot at the end. Yes, oh my goodness, it blew open my sales potential. Clients loved it. So it was kind of like getting their own little mini session. So first we would go and we'd take the senior, we'd do all the senior photos, but then the family had time to get ready. So if I met them at their house or whatever, and then once everyone was ready, we just added the whole family in. So it was 2 sessions at one time. I loved doing that. I love them. It's my favorite thing to do. And clients think you're a genius because they, you know, when else are they going to get a new family photo? Sometimes it's just maybe the parents or something, but it's a great way to do it. So I actually gave them a discounted rate because obviously if you've been watching my channel, you know that I don't leave the house for anything under $500. So it was a good way to add on an affordable little mini session after the fact at the same time. So I've already got all my cameras charged and ready to go. My flashes are done, ready, like blah, blah, blah. I'm already driving to their place or wherever we're meeting. So why not? Why not just do another little quick little 20 minutes, get all the family photos, and then guess what? You still have 2 types of sell them. You have first, you sell them all the high school senior products, you know, like announcements, thank you notes, party invitations, a metal print, whatever, wallet prints. I don't think people really do those anymore, but mobile apps. I mean, you have all their normal high school senior products to sell. And then you sell them all the family products. So maybe they need a new canvas for their house or something like that. Holiday cards, done, done, done. Check, check, check. So that's it. So easy. So I want you to do this for your next clients and then let me know how it goes. If you're interested in figuring out how to price all of that, definitely reach out because obviously that's what I do. I'm your pricing and sales coach. So down below in the description, you'll find a link to my Profit Amplifier program and how you can get a one-on-one session with me. Just spend it just figuring all this out for you and dialing it in if you're interested. Thanks for swinging by. I'll see you around. Happy selling.